In this video, we'll delve into the world of Spotify stats, helping you uncover valuable insights about your music preferences. But before we dive in, hit that like button if you're eager to explore your Spotify stats, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback shapes the content we create for you, the music enthusiasts and habit trackers. Let's get started. On your browser, click on your profile to reveal your top artists and tracks. While it won't detail your listening time for each, the lists are ordered based on your listening time. On mobile, you can access the most frequently played artist by tapping the gear-shaped settings button, enabling the recently played artist slider, and viewing your profile. For a deeper dive into your Spotify stats, check out statsforspotify.com. This site provides additional insights, showcasing your top tracks, artists, and genres based on your listening time. Now, here's a special trick. Every December, Spotify presents its users with a personalized Spotify Wrapped summary, offering numerical data not available through other options. Artists can glean fascinating information, such as the number of streams, listeners, and total hours their music was enjoyed. They can even see the countries where their music resonated. Thank you for watching. If you're hungry for more Spotify tutorials, check out our playlist here. If you found this video helpful, take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your engagement inspires us to keep creating content like this.